Alright, so what's going on, y'all? So with my content, I figured out that I gotta show y'all how to do this stuff instead of just telling y'all. Oh snap, I just dropped my phone. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how you can earn 12% in your savings account. Alright, so let's get right into it. So you want to have a place where you have your crypto or where you buy crypto or whatever. For example, Coinbase, and the other app that you want to have is Vauld right here, you know what I'm saying? It's a V, you know what I'm saying, whatever. Actually, first, I'm gonna go into my Vauld account, right? You know what I'm saying? So you see, you are currently earning 12.68% interest on this token. Now, DAI is a Ethereum stablecoin, and that just means it's pegged to the value of $1. So it doesn't move from the value of $1. If it does, it'll move down to like 99 cents or $1.01. I like DAI because it's backed by Ethereum assets and it's backed by something, you know what I'm saying, some type of asset, right? All right, so you want to click deposit funds, right? You want to scroll down to DAI, and then you're going to see this address that they're going to give you right here. It says deposit address, ERC20 token. Sorry, it's loud. I'm at the car wash right now trying to make this video, so yeah. So you want to copy this address, and it's just going to automatically save. Now, you see in my Coinbase account on here, on this one, I got 19 DAI stored up right now, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see on Coinbase, you can earn 2% interest or annual percentage yield, but that's not enough when you can get 12, you know what I'm saying? Real wealth building type stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna click on my wallet right here. I'm gonna click this arrow button in the top right. So you see I have 19 DAI, so I'm gonna click this arrow button in the top right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be sending DAI to the high interest or annual percentage yield account that I have. So we're gonna do max, continue. We're gonna do max, continue. And then you wanna copy that address into where it says home, email, address, or ENS into the top of your Coinbase account. So you're gonna do preview, send, and it's gonna hit you with a little bit of a network fee. So I'm actually only sending $15 worth of DAI. So I'm not really tripping about it. So send now. So you see, it's in the process and it's transacted to my other account. So it says this transaction usually takes less than 10 minutes. But you see down here where it says incoming deposit of, you know what I'm saying, the 15 DAI. You have incoming deposits which will be confirmed soon. So you know what I'm saying. Now I'm just waiting to get my DAI so I can add it into my fixed yield. I already have $23 in here earning 12% interest. And then I got Ethereum in here too. Like I'm earning 6% on my Ethereum. I got $50 in here earning 6% annual percentage yield. So this annual percentage yield is per year. So let's do a little math first, right? So let's say we put $1,000 into this annual percentage yield earning account for DAI, right? So let's say you got $1,000. You would do $1,000 times 0.12, just 0.12% or 12%, and it would be, you'll be earning $120 on your savings account per year. Now let's put that in comparison to a bank account savings account. So we're gonna refresh, and we're gonna do $1,000 times point. I believe you get 0.004. I think it's 0.004. You'll be earning $4 on that $1,000. Now let me make sure that it is 0.004. All right, so I just looked it up, and it's actually 0.02%. All right, so let's say you had $1,000, right? Times 0.02%. You would earn $20 a year instead of earning $120 in your savings account per year. That's a big difference when we're talking about building wealth and compound interest. That's like $10 per month, right? If you got $1,000, you'll be earning $10 per month on $1,000 in this DAI stablecoin high yield annual percentage or annual percentage yield account, right? So you got 1,000 times 0.12, $120 divided by 12, $10 per month earning in your savings account, and that's pretty cheese. All right, so the funds just got deposited into my account, right? So I don't know if this already has added into my fixed deposit for DAI. So let me just see. DAI. So you'll come over here to DAI, right? When you click on create a fixed deposit, you would add however much you want to deposit into this annual percentage yield. So you see it says 15 DAI available to earn interest, and I'll do 100% because I want to earn 100% of, or I want to put 100% of that $15 in here, right? Estimated return, okay, I don't really care about that. I'm just like, I'm gonna keep it in here as a savings for however long I'm gonna keep it in here. And then auto renew is just auto renewing the fixed deposit whenever the 30-day term is over with. So yeah, you swipe to create a fixed deposit. What's going on, bro? And it says fixed deposit is created successfully. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. I got $38 earning 12.68% in this high yield savings account, you know what I'm saying? High earning savings account. This is real wealth building right here, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, you can click the link in my bio if you want to download Vauld. I would rather use this as a DAI. Really, honestly, it depends on what you want. It's like, if you want to use it for Bitcoin, it's like, do you want to earn 6% in gold, or do you want to earn 12% in like just cash dollars, you know what I'm saying, the dollar value amount. So yeah, that's how you earn 12% interest on a savings account.